Okay, hello and welcome to the next episode on Cyber Potato, where we'll be trying to recreate the best to our knowledge the fantastic design done by Paweł Gryglak. Seriously, just go to his dribble account and check out this guy because he's awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna follow this guy right now. Okay, so we're doing this, and I can tell that for the time being, I'm gonna say that header is good for now, and we'll try to recreate the main area here. As I said, I can tell it is looking kind of like grid divided into 3 separate items. So the description to the left, the image in the center, and the metadata on the right. Okay, so let's give it a try. I'm gonna go to index. This is where my header is ending, and I'm gonna go with main with class grid. And then I'm gonna do a grid item 3 times. No, it's not like that. It's like that. No, still not. How do you even? Yeah, that's right. Okay. And what we have here, we have arrow and back to Space Marines miniatures. Intercessor veteran description and this and this. Okay, so I'm gonna do something like this. I'm gonna need something to wrap the arrow, so I'm gonna use the class arrow wrapper, obviously. Here I need icon. Oops, icon. Okay. I need that, and we need to find a proper icon for that. So let's go to font, awesome, arrow. And what do I need? I need cool looking arrow. Long arrow left. Looks pretty good to me. As I said, it's not going to be pixel perfect because, well, I don't have access to the assets that Paweł used, but we'll do what we can. Okay, so the class is, actually I can just get rid of this and we're good. And there's this, I believe this is supposed to work as a link, so when you click to back to Space Marines, you will be taken to a list of the figures. So I'm gonna say it's a link, ref hash to make it empty, class is gonna be back to, and I'm gonna say back to Space Marines miniatures, figures, whatever. Okay. So this is the structure for that, and I need the description piece. So I'm gonna go with h1, and I'm gonna go with class product title. Okay, and I'm gonna say intercessor veteran. Okay, and then the description is gonna have class product description, then press lorem ipsum something here, maybe a little bit more, so I'm gonna say lorem 20. actually. Okay, looking good. Then I need a button saying more. Okay, and just more. Okay, nice. Let's quickly settle the stuff for the main image. This is main, this is main. Okay, I can just say image class main image, and as search cell I can go images, image 2, spaghetti PNG, I don't know. Yeah, let's do that. And this is fine. And then we have to prepare the last thing, which is the here, this part. I can see two basically components here. This is images grid, I'll say, and this is feature list, or so-called HTML description list. Yeah, because there are things like we can find here. There are things like ordered list and unordered list, but it's not really that. This is more like features list. Okay, so I will use the description list element to represent that. Okay. Oh, this isn't looking really good, but we'll manage. Okay, so images grid. Yeah, let's do just that. Images grid. Then I need 3 items there, I believe, with class thumbnail times 3, please. Okay, and for now I'm gonna say images image 1 it is image 1, then we have images image 2, image 2, images image 3, image 3. Right? How we're doing? We're doing fine. Then we have description list. Okay, so this is interesting because we can use description list with the, let's do the class features list. English is hard. Okay, and then we have dt tag, race. I will do this, and dd, and this is class race. Say let's turn this to PNG, mankind, because that's the race. Then we have dt and its type, and it's infantry. So let's do just dd type class. Yes, infantry. Okay, and the last piece of information is the number of components. So just dt components, and the number of components is dd components. All right, and let's say 13. Where do we stand? Yeah, it's looking kind of cool, except not really, because it's completely not styled. But yeah, we'll work on it just now. So first things first, let's build our grid. Okay, so here I can just say grid. It's not going to be too hard. Let's say that this, all the stuff here, starting here, it's header. Obviously, while working on a big project with many subsites, I wouldn't recommend putting everything in one CSS file. It's simply wrong, but we're just recreating a simple site, so here I believe it's fine. Okay, grid. I will build the grid using flexblocks. I'm gonna say flex wrap. I will add some padding. Pudding. I like pudding. I really like me some pudding right now. Okay, and grid item. I want each and every single item to have to take the same space from parent. So this will be 33.3%. So I'm just simply can do this by specifying flex 1, and this is starting to look better. Well, not really, because as you can tell, the items aren't still properly laying themselves, especially because the images that we have here should be way smaller, so they won't take all that space. But we'll fix it. Okay, but let's start with the left column. Okay, first thing is the what? Is the what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to style the arrow and the text, of course. Okay, so it's FA long. That was a brain fart. If you ever seen one. Left. Is that the class actually? Long arrow out left, long arrow out left. Okay. Border, because I can tell there is a border around here. I'm going to say 1 pixel solid. Something like this. Okay. The font size, because I can change the size, be 2 AM EM. It's E, it's not A. 1 EM for padding. Border, I want to make it circular, so you know it. It's gonna have a border that is 15%, and margin right is gonna be 1 EM. How does it look? Good, kinda, but I'm not sure really. Does it feel too big to you? Seems to me maybe it should be 1. Yeah, it should be 1 EM. So actually no font size. Okay, rah. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Okay, back to, we need to change the link. So let's start with text decoration, none, because I didn't want that underscore. Text transform, yes please, uppercase to make it all uppercase, and the color is it's this color actually here that I define. You see that this color and this color and this and this and this are pretty much the same. So this should be done actually as var main gray color, main gray text. Okay, this is fine. This is also main gray text. Okay. Okay, one thing that I'm missing is the color of the icon. So this is also main gray text color. It is. Does this look correct enough? Well, it's not 100% perfect. The arrow is different, but I can tell it's kind of good. It's good enough for me. Okay, let's just finish the left column here. What else? What else? Oh, we have product title. Okay. So product. What else? Arrow wrapper itself. Wrapper. I'm gonna. Yeah, this is a line in the middle already. So this is fine. No need to display flex it. Do I need? Oh yeah, I need to add a margin. Margin button. Let's do 6 a.m. EM for God's sake. Okay. Then product title. To style the header. Also, let's give it a margin bottom 2 em. Okay, and product description. Product description. Color of the text is obviously the same. Nope. Margin bottom same. What else? I can tell that this is, well, it's simply too wide, so let's limit this. Oops. Let's limit this to max width, say 50% max. Okay, better, but I can see that the text itself is squished, so we can change it by doing line height 2 em. Okay, better. What do I miss? I miss the margin between here and here. Why is that, my good friend? Arrow wrapper. Okay, so it's typo. Always look out for those. It's arrow wrapper, actually. Okay. Yeah, looking fine. I can see that the margin here is a bit too big. Maybe it should be half. Yeah, it should be a half. Okay. So let's change it. It's here. And then more. Well, this is gonna be easy. A background color. I don't want any, so I'm gonna specify transparent. Font weight. Bold, please. And font size 1 em. Is that correct? This is black, while here it's dark grayish. So let's fix that. Dark. How gray is dark gray? Let's try that and we'll work from here. Okay, it's darker. It's pretty much the same. Okay. So we've started the left column, and I believe, yeah, we're hitting about 20 minutes mark. That's fine for now. Thank you very much for watching this and embarking with me on our fantastic journey. See you in the next one. Bye.